I'm Kevin. I play Rocket League, and then I play Forza Horizon 4 and 5. My Forza setup is really basic, and that's kind of like the beauty of it. So I put my hand here, and this X button is just gas, and then this button, RB, is brake. They're just really easy to hit for me. And then I steer left and right with this joystick over here. LT, the button down here, is the look behind you camera. This button is the e-brake. It's just for fun, but that way I can drift if I want to. In Forza, that's the majority of what I do. So in Rocket League, I only use one joystick, and this joystick is binded to forward and backward, and this is left and right, and then this is boost, and this is jump. So I can't actually go forward and turn at the same time. That's how it used to be. I use the quad stick as forward and backward now, up to go forward and down to go backwards. And then this controls like the direction of the car. In Rocket League, when you're in the air, you can flip it forward and backward, and then you can like turn it side to side. That like fully uses the function of like one joystick. Having forward and backward on the quad stick allows you to like turn and to have the gas on at the same time. I always use them together. So like I'll be in the shooter, I'll aim with the quad stick mouthpiece, and then I'll move with this joystick, so I'm using them at the same time. And I'll use the straws and the buttons together, so they'll all be on different functions. The two easiest buttons to hit are these two for me, and I can hit them together quickly, back and forth. And I need those to be boost and brake in Rocket League. And so because of that, I have to find different buttons for throttle and brake. And so the second easiest way is to use the quad stick, definitely. I could use a straw for throttle and brake, but I like to have the ability to like use a little bit of the throttle. The quad stick joystick has a range. I only really play games where you can like custom bind the buttons. And I just map stuff from like the most important to least important, and I just work my way down from that.